Sometimes it's really handy just to be able to email or text your customers who have purchased in store or at a specific event using your point of sale through Shopify. So what we're going to do here is create a segment in order to contact those people. So on the left-hand side of your account, we're going to click into List and Segments. And then on the upper right-hand corner, we will click Create List/Segment. And what we're going to do here is create a segment because we're choosing to create a list of people based on a behavior that somebody has done, which in this case is checked out using the point of sale system. So we're going to click Segment, and then we'll type in purchased at storefront/POS. So that way, if you have an event-based boutique or you have a boutique that sometimes does events, you're able to utilize this function as well. We will click into what someone has or has not done, and then we will choose placed order at least once over all time. You can also apply a date filter here in order to pull out just those people who have purchased in the last year or in the last month. And then we are going to add a filter, and the property we're going to use is called source name. And then here we are going to choose POS for point of sale. And then this is very important. So we're going to make this one our email list. What we're going to do here is click and then we are going to say if someone is or is not suppressed for email. And at the same token, if we wanted this to be a text segment, we would change this to SMS. And instead of saying if someone is or is not suppressed for email, we will have it say is or is not consented to receive SMS. So is or is not suppressed for email, create segment, and from there you can target just your storefront customers. Hope this helped.